Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, I'm going to review a product that is a game changer in the laundry industry. Eeva 2-in-1 Laundry Solution. Eeva is a portable washer and dryer that allows you to wash and dry your laundry in one go, without the need for a water connection or external vent. It has multiple cycles for different laundry needs and can be used with or without a water connection. Eeva conserves water, uses less energy, and produces less pollution than standard washers and dryers. It has dimensions of about 2 feet wide by 3.5 feet tall, making it convenient to use anywhere. The built-in LCD screen allows you to easily select your cycle and see how much time is remaining. You can use Eeva in spaces where you can't use a standard laundry system, such as in your bedroom, bathroom, or closet, or when traveling in your camper, RV, or boat. If you want to buy Eeva, the link is in the description below. So, what do you think of Eeva 2-in-1 Laundry Solution? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting gadget reviews.